A silent panic is spreading across the entire virtual reality industry, and it all centers around a massive, high-stakes game of corporate deception being played directly by Mark Zuckerberg. Every single day, millions of people put on their current VR headsets, assuming they are experiencing the cutting edge of spatial computing. You play games, explore virtual worlds, and try to use pass-through features to work on virtual screens, believing that technology is naturally moving forward. But the dirty secret that Meta has been desperately trying to hide from the public has just been blown wide open. Behind the scenes, Meta's hardware division, Reality Labs, has been in a state of absolute chaos. Billions of dollars have been burned. Entire production roadmaps have been abruptly canceled and rewritten, and internal memos have leaked directly from Meta's Menlo Park campus. The mask has slipped, and the secret blueprint for the upcoming Meta Quest 4 has completely exposed Zuckerberg's ultimate trap. This isn't just another routine, slightly lighter version of the headset you already own. What the leaked data reveals is a radical, aggressive shift in strategy that will completely shock the tech community. If you are thinking about buying any VR or mixed reality headset anytime soon, you need to freeze. Meta is about to permanently kill off the era of cheap, heavily subsidized headsets. And if you buy a device before understanding the technical evolution hidden inside the Quest 4, you are walking directly into a costly trap. To understand why the Quest 4 is causing such an absolute uproar inside the tech world, we have to look directly at the massive hidden wall that current standalone VR technology has crashed into. For years, consumer VR has been held back by a brutal compromise dictated by weight, physics, and cost. When you wear a modern all-in-one headset, you are essentially strapping a hot, heavy plastic brick filled with a mobile processor, a cooling fan, and a dense lithium battery directly onto the bridge of your nose and your forehead. Within 45 minutes of intense gaming or virtual productivity, reality hits you. Your neck begins to ache, your face breaks out in sweat, and your eyes strain against the harsh backlighting of cheap LCD panels. The industry tried to fix this with minor software tweaks and strap accessories, but the fundamental design remained a highly flawed, uncomfortable compromise. According to the deep system firmware sleuthing and internal hardware logs leaked under the codename Project Griffin, Meta is completely throwing their old design playbook into the trash. Zuckerberg realized that to achieve mass adoption, they had to solve the physical torture of long session wear. The leaked schematics confirmed that the Meta Quest 4 is moving to a hyper-compact, ski goggle architecture that completely sheds the front-heavy mass of previous designs. By utilizing next-generation, ultra-thin pancake optics with a radically shortened focal length, Meta has managed to shrink the physical depth of the headset enclosure by a staggering 40%. But the real engineering shockwave is how they are redistributing the structural mass. The heavy battery cells are being completely removed from the front housing and integrated into a rigid, ergonomically counterbalanced rear strap system. This achieves a perfect 50-50 weight distribution, completely removing the downward leverage on your face and allowing the headset to feel near weightless, even during multi-hour marathons. Yet, this structural redesign is only a fraction of the story.